Have you ever pondered the process of cultivating your own onions right at home? Well, today is your lucky day. This video will guide you step by step, transforming that curiosity into a green thumb. Onions, the unsung heroes of the culinary world, are surprisingly simple to grow, given the right conditions. They offer an array of health benefits and bring a unique flavor to any dish. So why not grow them at home? To begin this fascinating journey, you'll need a few basic supplies: onion seeds or sets, compost, and a pot or a patch of garden soil. If you're using a pot, ensure it's at least 10 inches deep to accommodate the growing onions. Step 1. Prepare the soil. Start by mixing compost into your soil. This not only enriches the soil but also improves its structure, allowing for better root growth. Step 2. Plant the seeds or sets. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep and 4 inches apart. If you're using sets, they should be planted just deep enough so that the tip is barely visible above the soil surface. Step 3. Water regularly. Onions are thirsty plants. They require consistent watering, especially in the initial stages. However, be careful not to overwater and create a soggy environment. Step 4. Watch for growth. In about 6 to 8 weeks, green shoots will start to appear. These shoots will eventually become the green tops of your onions. Step 5. Harvest at the right time. Onions are ready to harvest when the green tops have fallen over and turned brown. This usually happens in late summer or early fall. Keep in mind, onions are biennials. They grow their leaves in the first year and flower in the second. However, when we grow them as annuals for their bulbs, we interrupt this cycle. So to recap, enrich the soil, plant the seeds or sets, water consistently, watch for growth, and harvest at the right time. It's that straightforward. Remember, patience is the name of the game when it comes to growing onions. They might take their time, but the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown onions is second to none. As with any gardening endeavor, the more you do it, the better you get at it. So don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't a roaring success. Every failure is a stepping stone to a greener thumb and a more bountiful harvest. Now go forth and cultivate those onions. And when you're enjoying a meal spiced up with your very own homegrown onions, take a moment to appreciate the journey from seed to harvest. Cultivating onions at home is not just about the end product, it's about the process, the learning, the joy of watching something grow under your care. It's about connecting with nature in the most personal way possible, by nurturing it. So there you have it, a simple guide to growing onions at home.